Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make watermelon in Infinity Craft. So first, just add the wind element right here. And then after adding the wind element, just have to add the earth above the wind so we can create dust. So now that we have the dust, is we are just going to add the earth element above it so we can create a planet. And then now just add fire above the planet to create sun. Okay. So after that, just add earth above the sun so we can create a plant. And then after creating the plant element, we just have to add the sun above it to create a tree. And then just add sun above the tree so we can create the fruit. And that we have the fruit, we just have to add a dust over here and then add wind above it to create a sandstorm. So now that you have the sandstorm, just add earth above it to you can create dune or June. Okay, so after that, you will then just have to add an element which is the earth above it to create a sand. And now finally just have to add the sun above the fruit and you can create a watermelon. So that's your wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.